Going to be some nice weather too, right, for the Tulsa run?
It should be. Yeah, temperatures that morning should be in the 50s and then 70s by the afternoon. But for this morning, it's kind of chilly out there, and you have a north wind right now, which is making it feel even just a bit cooler. Those clouds are sticking around a little bit, so we're going to see some cloud coverage as we start our day off, but then we'll be looking for more sunshine this afternoon. Here's a look down off of our Renaissance Hotel camera view. We have dry roadways, thankfully, so we're not dealing with the wet roads today. We're going to continue to stay dry through the weekend. Those temperatures this afternoon will be a bit warmer than they were yesterday as well. So right now, as you're waking up, it is 50 degrees at the airport with those winds in from the northwest at 9 miles an hour. We're seeing some mid-40s if you're watching us from Bartlesville through Pryor and Tahlequah. Low 50s down towards Fort Smith, Poto, and Stigler. And then off to the west, we have those mid to upper 40s. That's over near Ponca City, Stillwater, and Bristow, where it's about 49 degrees for you this morning. Winds will continue to stay in from the north and northwest today, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. It's a cool north wind. You're going to feel that as you head out the door this morning. So it goes without saying, take the jacket with you, but leave the rain gear at home today. We're not going to be needing that. Again, the clouds stick around for the first half of the day. The second half of the day, we should see a little bit more sunshine. Tomorrow, those sunny skies throughout the day. Again, tomorrow morning we have the Tulsa Run, but then we also have the Boo Ha Ha Parade that takes place tomorrow morning as well. And so conditions for that should be pretty pleasant. This afternoon, we'll be seeing highs in the low 60s with a couple of 50s to our north and to our northeast. About 62 is the expected high in Tulsa, which means we still stay below average again today. Again, by the weekend, though, we're back up above average, seeing temperatures in the mid 70s, even upper 70s on Saturday. For the overnight hours, partly cloudy and mostly clear. We'll start our Saturday morning off with those temps in the upper 40s, but again, it's a quick warm up throughout the morning with mostly sunny skies. Here's how our day planner looks today. The temperatures warm to 55 at lunch, and then partly cloudy skies through the afternoon as we see a high of 62. Again, the winds will stay from the north today at 5 to 15 miles per hour. This weekend, temps mid 70s, low 70s Sunday. There's a weak front that moves through. It's dry and brings just a little bit of cooler air for Sunday, Monday. Then going into Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to see another cool front that comes through Tuesday afternoon and evening. That's going to increase our chance for showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. That'll move out, though. You may see a few showers lingering on Wednesday, on Halloween. But other than that, we'll see cooler conditions with a north wind, highs in 63. And then by Thursday, clearing skies with highs in the lower 60s.